Welcome to Peupe Technologies, where we make best quality vending machines. This includes oil ATM, milk ATM, and water ATM. Our machines are known all over the country for accuracy and quality in terms of service that they provide. This is because we are a research-based company and we make our ATMs on our own, everything from scratch. So we don't outsource anything, which means we have total control over the machines, such that in case of any challenge that customer may face with our machines, we are able to provide full support. So consider visiting us. We are located in Juja Town, next to JKUAT Gate B. So you are free to come visit and see our workshop and see if you can grab one machine for yourself. So thank you, and you are most welcome.